sesiba ne-PSL ekhaya.
Yeah.
We must upload umbereko omuhle wenziwe
Ngiyavuma,
i-PSL
ngiyavuma. You
municipality.
see, mina ngiyathoma ukubona i-mayor ne-MMC ebereka ngale ndlela. Azange sibe nabo abantu babereka like that.
Ngitshela khulu
Serious.
bangene
Yeah,
nje.
serious. None.
But
You can check from since 1994.
yeah.
No, you won. Bangenile baphuma bangena baphuma.
Yeah, phela mangothi yaqala iSolomon Mahlangade kulinjaya hey at some stage ungafaka ikomo ukuthi yokudlela lapha.
Exactly. Stomach besibaya.
Yeah, but Mr. Dihale no Dimsani Mahlangu. But nje ungena man naye bayibanga.
Change,
Everything
I
changed.
think
very much happy
uDumsani
now.
futhi he's still young. I think ziningi izinto kufanele azenze
Yeah, yabona into lemakube ikhamba vele ngama-term.
Yeah.
Then they must get another term.
Uthini yena?
Before baphuma they must get another term.
Yes.
Hayi bayasebenza
Yes.
umasipala ngikhetha hayi.
This is the one point,
Uyawenza umahluko. KwaNdebele we are on the map.